to understand, that is materials. That is materials and its combinations. Like when I say PN diode, simple understanding of PN diode is a pure semiconductor doped with P-type material, N-type material, and when they combine at the junction, it is forming a diode. So it is a pure semiconductor doped with P-type. That is a process, pentavalent material process, a trivalent material process formed of P-type and N-type. It is not you are taking P-type and N-type separately. For the same pure semiconductor, you are making one side P-type and N-type, and there somewhere it is forming a junction. That is PN type. Similarly, like that only you will have a transistors. Okay, so that is what in reality. So how we can understand this? So that's all here. We call it as a layouts. We represent it as that process of fabrication. We call it as the process is called a fabrication, and that we will represent. We will try to understand that fabrication with the help of its layout. Got it? So then again the same process. When you are designing, there needs someone to verify it. So physical design verification engineers, and then whatever the final layout has been obtained, that you are going to put it in the fabrication process and get a die or the chip. That silicon chip we are going to integrate. We are going to giving for the package, and that packaged chip is going used on the boards. That is the your electronic component or wherever. So the client will get this product. Understood the VLSI flow? I have not gone very much into the technical, just an overview wise. Again I am repeating, idea is from the client. Idea has to understand with the electronic architecture. Okay, that will happen when you get more experience. When you do more number of projects, then easily you can say that for this idea, this is the equivalent electronic architecture. So when you get the electronic architecture, you will finalize the input and outputs and its behavior relationship. That is also an experienced engineer will do. Once you get the behavioral idea, then you have to convert that into a RTL code or a machine understandable HTL code. Okay, so that is where you can learn in your true academics. Maybe few things are there, but few things you have to take your extra time. Like whatever the digital circuits you are learning, maybe that could be a starting of your AND gates, OR gates. Okay, you may not feel it is using at a higher end VLSI at the right now point, but sure, the basic bricks, like the fundamental components, whatever are there, these will be used. Got it? So that circuit, that digital gate level circuit will be transferred into its layout, and that layout will be optimized. So what you have to learn to make all these things? Create its circuit. Okay, for a given application, for a given requirement, you have to generate a circuit. You have to know what should be the suitable resistor I can keep in that network. That way you have to turn yourself. Hands-on experience. Yes, true. Until unless you try it, you won't get it. How many of you drive bikes? Boys over here. Girls no? Antenduku 3 wheels rickshaw ఉంది కదా, చూస్తే ఏమనిపిస్తుంది? తొక్కేస్తే డ్రైవింగ్ చేస్తే వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఎక్కి తొక్కి చూడండి, వెరీ టఫ్. సో gain hands on everything. What you feel like I can learn, that's not enough. I have done it. Understand VLSI, anything, not only VLSI design, anything. If you are interested in that field, completely know the flow from the starting to the ending. How I have to start, what are the things I require, where I have to reach. Reach a ఇప్పుడున్న సోషల్ మీడియా తోటి అయితే ఇండస్ట్రీ గురించి అయితే నేను చెప్పాలేమో కానీ అప్డేటెడ్గా ఉండమంటే మీరు నాకే చెప్తారు ఎన్ని ప్రాసెస్ ఉన్నాయి ఎన్ని విధాలుగా మనం అప్డేట్ అవ్వచ్చు అని. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ హావ్ బీన్ యూజింగ్ ద సోషల్ మీడియా టర్న్ లిటిల్ బిట్ టు ద electronics side, like technology side. You will get the technology news. Every morning you will get that news. So that will be helpful to enhance your goal. Then pursue internship and collaborations. Is it really required? Internship to collaborations. I say not that much. If you really work on hands-on gani, be interest gani unte college lo it is very much sufficient. But if you are not getting all these things, sometimes yeah it is required sometimes because everywhere they may sometimes see the certificates. You are from some IIT brand and anagane meeku ento knowledge lo kuda anavasam a brand business nenu ee course lo inni months internship chesanu em chesarani kuda okasari anavasam internship chesam kada ఏదో ఒక బేసిక్ వచ్చి ఉంటుంది. That's how also you can enhance your career options. Soft skill and networking. This is all social media and all these things. Finally, so this already I have covered the different options in VLSI design. As a front-end design engineers, that you will design the HDL code, that language. Physical design engineers, which will optimize this. Verification engineers, which will work on whatever you have designed, they will verify. So, ఇక్కడ ఈ verification కి RTL design కి you need some language. Got it? You need some language. That is like Verilog, HDL. HDL లో Verilog, VHDL ఉంటుంది. Verilog language general గా ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. Then there is another section DFT engineers and STA engineers. More into the technical. I'm just skipping it right now. So finally, what I want to conclude is, you can see the VLSI industry is growing rapidly, driven by innovation in AI, 5G, semiconductor technology. So what does that mean? See, to say the statements, I can say anything, but you have to know really whether it is growing or not. I will give